Kasama ko ngayon be the player of the game mula sa Barangay Ginebra, the Teniente L.A. Tenorio with a conference high of 30 points, 9 rebounds, and 4 assists. LA, you guys started out flat, but what a comeback. Tatanungin ko sana kung meron ka bang naalala na sinabi ni Coach Tim na nagpabuhay sa inyo, finishing of course the first half strong, and from the third quarter then on, di na kayo lumingon ulit.
Well, sinabi lang sa amin ni Coach Tim, from the start pa lang, from the huddle pa lang before the game, he told us na may time sa game na magsa-struggle talaga kami. We really just have to make a stop and so get the next play. And offensively, be confident out there talaga sa every possession, maging confident lang kami sa ginagawa namin. So, well, good thing about that, nakabalik kami in the second quarter with our defense. Actually, with our defense, not our offense actually.
Speaking of nakabalik, you guys are back on the next round. Kumbaga, sabi nga ni Coach Tim, at least wala kayo dun sa 8th spot. Mag-aantay kayo ngayon sa resulta pa ng mga natitirang laro. But moving forward, we hope that Japet gets better. Anything else na gusto mong makita sa mga kakampi mo pa?
Well, gusto ko lang makita sa amin, actually, as a team na talagang bumalik yung dati naming game talaga. Medyo nagsa-struggle talaga kami. Obvious naman during the first part of the game. Talaga nagsa-struggle kami. Pero offensively, but hopefully the team really working so hard during practice. So sana mag-pay off this coming playoff. So playoff time, so siguro hopefully bumalik na yung kumpiyansa namin offensively and most especially defensively.
Regardless of how you perform, the Never Say Die crowd is always alive. Pasalamat sa kanila.
Una-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng Barangay Ginebra fans na parati sumusuporta sa amin. Manalo-matalo na dyan kayo. Maraming salamat sa Panginoon. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng strength na binibigay mo sa buong team. And hopefully magkita-kita tayo sa playoffs. And gusto ko lang batiin yung kapatid ko, happy birthday. And kay Kuya Aguila, Marudo, happy birthday. So, ayun. And sa babies ko, sa mga anak ko, kay Santi, Sian, kay Lucas, and sa wife ko, kay Cheska. Hello.
Congratulations, be the player of the game natin, L.A. Tenorio, gentlemen.